Hi guys, with your security camera system, if you forgot your password, I am going to show you actually how you can reset your password. To go into the main menu, you normally have to type in a password. I am going to show you how to reset that password, right? You'll need to take the camera box apart, the DVR, and you can see that we have the hard drive here, and so you can see that it is actually open. Normally there's like screws that you have to remove, like at the side and also at the back, right? So in order for us to reset the password, right, we need to turn this off. So now that it is turned off, there usually be a button to reset this. So for certain DVR, you will need to press the button while it is on. For this model, there is a CMOS battery here. What we need to do, we need to remove the battery. When we remove the battery, this will reset the password, the time, and all those information on this device. So we can say goodbye to our forgotten password, right? So just give it a few seconds and it should be on. So guys, this is the wizard, and this is the setup wizard rather, and it took us back to 2016. This is when the device was created and the password and everything is reset, right? So my current date on this video, we are actually in 2020, right? So I am going to just go ahead and click next to set up. It show us the hard drive as well, and everything is here. No camera is hooked up to the box at the moment. For us to put in the password, it will reset to admin. So the password is admin. We enter, we log in. Let's go again. The password is admin, but let me just try and just log in like that. Right. So as you can see, we just logged in just like that. That's actually how you reset your password. What I need to do now, I just need to put back in the CMOS battery, and then we should be good to go. All we need to do is to just enter the correct date and time and put a new password on the. So guys, I hope that this was helpful, and if it was, do like, share, and subscribe. Always examine your motherboard in the DVR. As I said, some of them would have a reset button, some of them will have just a CMOS battery, in which we will need to use to reset the password. So guys, I'm out.